So good evening, guys. We're going to be looking at how the pairs closed for today. Okay, hold on. Okay, so we'll start with Euro USD. It's still looking quite bullish on 4 hours, daily, and also on the weekly charts. Protected both of my trades in case any kind of volatility at night. USD CHF, same thing. Still expect more downside. It has clearly broken through this falling trend line, so I expect to see more downward action down to this support and possibly testing this rising trend line. For USD JPY, I opened a new position based on the break of this rising trend line and the break of this support as well, and as we can see, market is already gearing up for the move down. In the case of AUD USD, I'm gonna stand aside for now. I would like to see the market break out of any of these two regions, either break on the upside or break on the downside, and I will follow as the market dictates. Euro GBP, my trade is I exited the trade yesterday and re-entered on this candle at the close of the day. On this candle, when I saw it retested this trend line and was rejected, so this trade is in profit and I've locked it. For this trade, similar to AUD USD, I think I'm going to stand aside for now. I'm expecting a break of this trend line before I enter, and I'm not seeing a convincing break, although this pin bar is quite tempting. I would like to see price break above this trend line here. A very good break on 4 hours would give me a reason to enter the market. Similar to Euro JBP, I re-entered when price tested this trend line. I was rejected, so the trade is in profit and I have locked my profits. In the case of GBP JPY, I would like to see a convincing break of this trend line before I enter. You can see there's a rejection bar here, a pin bar at this support, so I would like to see convincing breakdown before I follow. Silver, the trade is locked. Gold, the trade is locked, targeting 13 something region before I exit the trade. Now for AUD JPY, very massive pin bar here. The pin bar suggests is rejecting this falling trend line. I think it's clearer here. That pin bar, however, has not broken this support, this rising trend line, so I would like to see it break this rising trend line, a very convincing break on 4 hours that would prompt me to sell. So the new trade is USD JPY, and I have JBP JPY on the horizon, AUD JPY on the horizon. If I see a convincing break, bullish break of this falling trend line on Euro AUD, I would follow. but for now I stand aside. So see you guys tomorrow, hopefully in pips. Have a good night.